California is such an incredibly diverse, unique, and exceptional place. And the natural environments throughout California are ripe for exploring. And the California Naturalist program at Grossmont College provides an opportunity for students and people in the public to come in and begin to develop a deeper relationship with nature and the natural surroundings right in our own backyard. Our course is a hybrid course that provides online instruction, but also in-person exploration of our natural environments that are accessible and that are nearby within our urban areas.
This class has fundamentally changed my life. I have been a Californian my entire life. I've been a native San Diegan, and I've always wondered about my landscape. And I think in this class I'm finally getting the answers that I didn't realize I was asking for 30 years. California and Southern California is really special. And without the California Naturalist program at Grossmont College, I wouldn't have realized to the extent of how special and unique this place is.
What I like about the class is just being able to get out and get a little bit more hands-on experience with nature. I think it's really helpful. We get to take a portion of the class online, and it really serves as motivation to when we get together for these field trips to actually be around a bunch of other people who have the same interests or the same passion for nature or biology. I get to learn from their experience and even draw from the motivation to go out and explore for my own.
The field trips that we're doing for the class really take the content that we're learning in class and give it to us in an applied way that would take a really long time to learn on our own. And because of the makeup of the class, not only are we learning from the professor, but some of our classmates have deep expertise in this really small area. And I think the beauty of this particular kind of class, but also the certification on top of it, brings people together who not only love nature, love to be out in it, but they're wanting to share that with others and really share their expertise. The more I learned, the more I really wanted to be able to do more with the community. And being a California naturalist, I think, allows me that additional education, that building that expertise, that opportunity to talk to more people, and really help them understand the importance of being out in nature, and not just for the experience of being in nature, but also when you have that experience, you understand it a little better and you're more likely to make decisions that I think are more favorable to the environment.
When we're out in the field, the experiential learning process provides those opportunities for deeper connection, and we get to slow down to the pace of wonder and really begin to notice some of the details that maybe we haven't noticed before. And so by having some intentional time spent exploring nature in a guided way, we can really walk away with a deeper and richer experience.